So what else shall we talk about today? So I was having a conversation with someone and they wanted to know what I loved about witchcraft and paganism. And for me, there were a few things, but we ended up talking on a topic, and that was, I mentioned the concept of balance to them. But the thing that I said I really liked is that we celebrate the light, the dark, but nothing evil. There's no evil in that. And my thoughts immediately went to nature. So again, with nature, you have light, you have dark, but there is no inherent evil. It just exists. So I find this really quite profound. And we had a lovely conversation, and it got me thinking, like, it's a shame that, you know, witchcraft and witches and pagans, we get such a bad rap without people ever really sort of delving into it and doing their own research. People just decide, you know, without knowing a thing, nope, that's bad, that's bad. And it's made me think about a series of visitors that we've had to the house over recent months and over the last year. And whenever we've had people that we don't know come in, I'm always apologising for some of my witchy bits and bobs, and I always wonder what they think. So for example, when we had the plumber and the boiler man and we had some sort of work done, I have a Sheila in a gig in my bathroom who has her hands and she has her vulva, her vagina open, and it just makes me laugh because I forget it's there, you know, this vulva showing like little person who people probably imagine it's like some sort of demon because she's got no hair and she's got a weird face. And I forget she's there. She's in our bathroom. We have a goddess themed bathroom, and people come in and out and use the toilet and stuff like that. And she's there on the bookcase. I'll show you some pictures. And yeah, people must just think like, what weirdos. And because they don't know about our life and our thoughts and our feelings and the things that we believe in, I can see how witchcraft and paganism can be pretty misunderstood. And I guess we're ambassadors, aren't we? So when people come into sort of like contact with us and they see these things, it's no wonder that they kind of think that we're a bunch of weirdos. So yeah, so this lovely conversation I had about, you know, the concept of balance and the fact that there's, you know, there isn't really anything evil, and we celebrate the light and the dark and how this all plays in with nature. It just got me thinking, reflecting on this conversation this week. We had some people from outside agencies come in, and yeah, it just kind of sparked that conversation that we had. And yeah, because I forgot, you know, I could put Sheila in a gig in a drawer or in a cupboard, but I always forget. So moving on from that,